In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Steam games on external drive. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So if you want to install your Steam maybe to an external storage device or an external hard drive, it is much simple. All you need to do is to go to library here, and from library go ahead and search for the game that you want to install on the external storage device. For my case, I want to install this game on external device. Now if you see here, these are the current games that I have installed on my internal drive on my computer. However, I'd like to go ahead and change the storage device for this game. To do so, go over to this option called Steam and then click on it and then go to settings. Now from settings, look for the option called storage, and here storage. Now here you can see your current default drive, and currently all the games that I installed are normally stored on drive C. However, I'd like to go ahead and change this to an external device. To do so, go ahead and click on this down arrow. You can see here, this is my local drive C. I'd like to change that. Just click on that and then choose another drive if it appears here. Alternatively, you can go ahead and add a drive by clicking on drive, and then you will have an option to go ahead and choose the external device that you wish. For me, you can see I have this external device that is highlighted here, so I can just go ahead and click on add, and now it has been added. To change now from local drive C to the external drive, it is pretty simple. If you click again, now you can see your external device or drive will be available for selection, and now I've already selected this. Once you're done, now you can exit this window and then proceed to install the game on your external device. So that's how you can install Steam games on external drive. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.